Producers think they need to spend a lot of money to make amazing beats, and I'm going to show you why that's not true. And I'll be cooking up a full beat using sounds from FL Cloud, which is right inside FL Studio. I'm talking melodies, drums, mixing, and way more. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're in FL Studio, and to get to FL Cloud, just go to the browser and click this button here. If you can't see the cloud, it could just be because your browser is wider, and in that case it'll say sounds. FL Cloud gives you access to over 1 million sounds, which is insane. Everything in it's royalty free, and it syncs up perfectly with your project, which I'll show you soon. They have sounds for all genres, and you can browse by the genre, the instrument, BPM, key, or a combination of everything. And then in the pack section, you have a mix of collections from producers like myself. So if you look here, this is a collection I've curated with some of my favorite sounds, some of my go-to ones. They also have exclusive packs from legends such as Lex Luger and Murder Beats, so you can find pretty much anything you need right within FL Cloud. But to make things better, you get a wide range of plugins too. With the Plus version you get 19, and with the Pro version you get 75. But with either one, there's no credit system, so you can download as many sounds as you want. FL Cloud's made loads of new updates and improvements, but one of the main ones you'll notice is Loop Starter, and this is a really easy way to spark some inspiration. So I'm going to click this, and let's say we want to make a drill beat. It's going to pull in some sounds from FL Cloud, and you've instantly got some ideas. So I like this idea. Let's say we're not really feeling the main melody and bass. We could click this and it'll generate a new one. See, this one I'm feeling more. This could be something I could work with. And let's say we like the drums, but it's just not quite there. We could right click and select find similar samples, and now we can preview some more. And if you've got sync BPM activated, it's going to sync everything with your project BPM, including the preview versions. So even this one at 142, if you preview this, it will play it at 140, which is the project BPM. Let's try this one. So this could be a nice perk bounce to use. If you like it, you can just drag it over. Or if you enable hot swap, any that you click on now, it will quickly swap it out with the one in the channel rack. See, like this one. This one's high. I like that too. So yeah, Loop Starter can be fire if you want some quick ideas, but let's start something fresh. Let's go to genre. We'll just go to trap for now. Ooh, this is hard. Let me favorite that because I might come back to it. Got this new search feature called Hidden Gems. So these will be more low-key ones that not a lot of people have used. It's filtered by loop, and I want to just keep all instruments for now. You can even find some exclusive sounds by some of the GOATs like Murder Beats. So this could be a good one to use. I like that. And remember, I've got sync BPM checked, so it's going to sync up with my project BPM. The original one was 84, so that's why it sounds a bit stretched. If you want to turn that feature off, just check this button here. Now if I play it, you can see it's the original BPM. Let's just keep more of a general search. This could be my vibe as well. This one's hard as well. This one's got some energy. Oh, this one sounds crazy. With the new FL Cloud update, you can tag multiple categories. So you could go synths, but also drill if that's what you're looking for. You can even favorite those tags. So next time you open it, it's going to be right there. Or you could use the new negative filtering. So let's say you don't want to hear any synths. Just click this. Alright, which ones have I favorited? That one was hard. You know what? I think we run with this, man. With this one, I can hear drums instantly, but I want to add a couple things too. Let's see if we can find a flute, but just a one shot so I can make my own melody. This one's hard. Let's drag this in, and then with one shot, so I usually just bring everything down, except for the hold, and maybe leave some release. And I just want to come up with a counter melody, so let's record something in. We'll just get some reverb on that. Then if you want to quickly test other sounds, just hit this hot swap button. So that one's alright. This one's kind of hard too. That was not bad, but I think I like the first one. All right, now I'm going to pull up Flex. This is a slept on plugin, man. There's so many sounds in here, especially if you've got FL Cloud Pro because it comes with so many extra packs. Just going to go to Dark Orchestra. I just want to use one of these atmospheres. I'm thinking something like this. And I'm just going to play the root note. Drag that out, because then we've got some high end for a hook. And if I send that to a mixer, I'm just going to filter it with an EQ. I think we could find one more thing. Let's add some vocals. Let's set the key, because we're working in G minor. Now this will transpose every sample to G minor so that it matches your track. And even if you drag it to the playlist, it will stay in the new key of G. Now we can quickly just click through some. That could work. Or maybe this. Yeah, this is the type I was looking for. And then bring this in. Send those vocals to a mixer. Also set it to generic bleeding so there's no clicks. Then on the vocals, I've just got an EQ to filter it, some reverb and some delay. Yeah, the vocals are sounding crazy. I think we could get some drums in now, you know. Alright, let's go to drums, and I just want to start with a snare. Let's go one shot. Like the sound of this one, and I think for this bounce, I want to go with a bit of a hood trap bounce. Copy that. Alright, now we've got the pattern in, we could quickly try some others. This one's hard. Could use this in a bridge or something. Oh, you know what? Let's use that. This main one. Let's grab this one too. And maybe every other one. See if we can find a snap as well. Yeah, even this first one. Then a couple low filler ones. Alright, next up, let's find a hi-hat. Then I think just a couple coming down like this. Yeah, there we go. So we just needed 808 now, and a couple other bits. Alright, let's go drums, 808, and we'll see which one slaps the most. Or something a bit different sounding. That could be hard. I want to add a second bass sound, but I'm going to be using a log drum. So I just went to FL Cloud and typed in log drum. I found this one, and I like this one too. I like to use a couple with different tones. Maybe I could bring that down. And with the second one. See what I'm saying? So we can copy this, maybe have 3 here. Try pitching this one up an octave, then back to this one again. And one more here, I think, but bring this up. And then just want to play with the velocity a bit too. And we could just switch it up towards the end. Maybe add 3 here. Let's try both of these up. Even one more. Then for Samir Kande, we could actually pan these. And that could just play in a different section. So if you look, we could split the drums bring everything out, copy this, and then we'll highlight the 808, Control and G to merge it, get rid of the log drum here, and then we'll just unmute the 808s. The way we've got a section with just the 808 and then one with the log drums. I think we need a drum fill in this one, man. Let's see if FL Cloud has something. Let's go drill. This one sounds crazy. Let's try this. Maybe one more. I think we could use the ending of this one. So let's get rid of this. That's the one. You know what? I wonder if they've got any hi-hat rolls as well. Something like that could work. Yeah, let's try this one. We could just take a few parts. And then maybe one more. Let's go for trap though. Yeah, this one sounds hard. I think we could take this. And again, we'll just see what parts are like. These might be too much. Yeah, the ending sounds crazy. Let's finish it with a riser as well. Got this one in my favorites. We could use this. Hard. You know what? This one's asking for a gunshot as well. Let's add this. Turn that second one down. Alright, I think I've got enough sounds now, but I need to do a quick structure because I don't want everything playing at the same time. So let's move these over. We'll just have an 8-bar intro. Can bring some of these effects back. Get rid of the vocals. Get rid of these. Just have the shot start here. Let's actually bring these fills back. Yeah, that drop's going to sound crazy. In the first half, we'll get rid of the kick. Save the vocals and the rolls for the second half. Let's bring these out. We'll have a section for the verse now. Definitely want the drums, the vocals again. Let's bring the 808 back in. I think we can cut the drums here as well. Yeah, there we go. And then the second half of the verse, we won't have the log drums, so we'll just unmute the 808s. But we can bring the flute in. See, we've got to find space for everything. But real quick, what if we pitch this one up an octave? You see this with the high octave? And it's just mad here. Yeah, that's hard. Alright, now we can just bring everything into the bridge. Copy the snare over, but in this one, we'll use that second snare that we chose. So this. Just to switch it up a bit. Let's type in respace. Yeah, this is one I've used before. Let's run with this. Or we could pitch this up an octave. And then we could just add a slide here. And then we can just copy that over. All right, let's have a listen from the beginning. And if you want to use any of these sounds or try out FL Cloud, just head to the browser and click either the cloud or if it says sounds. You've seen how I browse through sounds, but if you go to my personal collection, you'll find all my go-tos, or just click the link in the description. Real quick, if you want to enhance your beat further, go to Tools, and Mastering. Keep these three checked. We're going to use WAV. You can play around with the presets, like the Spotify one at -14. But I want to keep my beat loud, so let's go for -9. Click Start, and now you can actually adjust settings in real time. So it's sounding kind of brighter and louder. Let's push it to -8. For example, if you wanted more bass, could increase this, more brightness too. So now you can kind of master as you go. Okay, let's see what we've got. This looks crazy, man. This high octave part is wild, especially with those log drums. So the verse is a bit more chilled out, but good for artists. variation. So I hope you guys are feeling this one. I think the beat turned out cold. If you want to check out FL Cloud for yourself, the link's in the description. Or to carry on learning, just click up here.